Today we're checking out the Stainless Works 1 7/8 inch long tube headers, catted, with Performance Connect for the 2019 and newer 5.3 liter and 6.2 liter Silverado 1500s. This system is a great option for Silverado owners looking to boost horsepower and torque, improve exhaust flow, and add an aggressive exhaust note, all while keeping emissions compliance and a bolt-on convenience. The standout feature of these long tube headers has got to be their 1 7/8 inch primary tube paired with high flow catalytic converters. This setup optimizes exhaust scavenging and dramatically reduces back pressure, delivering stronger mid-range torque and peak power compared to stock manifolds. These headers use a Performance Connect flange system designed and made directly with popular catback exhaust systems. That means no welding or any custom piping is going to be required when you're upgrading your headers. These long tube headers to the cats use a Performance Connect flange system designed and made directly with popular catback systems. That means no welding or any custom piping required when you upgrade your exhaust. You can bolt them in and connect to an existing aftermarket exhaust for a clean, straightforward install. The mandrel bent tubing ensures smooth airflow even through the tight bends in the system, preserving horsepower and throttle response. Precision TIG welding and thick CNC cut flanges prevent leaks and resist warping, ensuring consistent performance under those high heat conditions of the exhaust. In addition to power gains, these headers provide a deeper, more muscular exhaust tone. Whether you're towing, off-roading, or just cruising around town, the tone is aggressive without being too over the top. The system is built from premium 304 stainless steel, selected for its corrosion resistance and heat retention properties. The mandrel bent tubing maintains that tube integrity and flow efficiency, while TIG welds and reinforced flanges ensure a tight, leak-free fit. The built-in cats are also going to use the stainless steel housings, and that's going to resist collapsing and preserve the high flow characteristics even during high mileage use. As far as the pricing goes, this whole system is going to come in right in that mid to upper 2000s price range. But for that price, you're getting stainless steel construction, integrated high flow cats, and Performance Connect compatibility, making it a valuable upgrade for serious Silverado enthusiasts looking for both sound and performance. All right, when it comes to the install, this is going to be rated a 2 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter, and you could expect to spend at least 2 hours of work to get this job done. The install is going to include the removal of the factory manifolds and that catback system. While it's bolt-in ready, tight clearances and a precise fit are going to be involved, so it's best tackled by someone with experience on the exhaust system, or go ahead and hire a professional if you're not 100% confident in your abilities. All right, that's going to do it for my review of the Stainless Works 1 7/8 inch long tube headers with catalytic converters and Performance Connect for the 2019 and newer 5.3 liter and 6.2 liter Silverado 1500s. And for all things Silverado, keep it right here at American Trucks.